In this tutorial, I will show you how to find start templates on Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, look at the left side menu and click on the Templates section. In the Templates area, you can browse different design categories such as social media posts, presentations, flyers, and more. When you find a template you like, you can save it by clicking the small star icon that appears on the template preview. When the star icon turns solid, it means the template has been added to your starred or favorite templates. To find your starred templates later, go back to the Templates section and open the menu or filter options near the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Starred or Favorites. Click on that option and Canva will display all the templates you have marked with a star. This makes it easier to quickly access the templates you saved without searching for them again. You can click on any starred template to open it and start editing your design. That is how you find starred templates on Canva.